Cryotherapy has been around as a means of treating chronic pain for a while, but it didn't get really popular until professional athletes started using it to recover and heal after games and workouts. Cryotherapy chambers look and sound like body cloning pods from a sci-fi movie, but they actually treat pain using the same simple science as an ice pack, except it covers your whole body, and it's way frigidier. When your body is immersed in such extreme cold, blood vessels constrict, and blood is drawn in towards the core. This is the part where most people have to do a little jig to stay warm. Because it's not just sub-zero, it's like sub-zero, dropping to temperatures as low as minus 250 degrees Fahrenheit. However, unlike an ice bath, you get to step out after only 2 to 4 minutes. And when you do, you'll feel that healing deluge of warm, re-oxygenated blood flowing back into your veins, like floodwater back into a dried riverbed. There's still lots of research to be done, but many people who have undergone cryotherapy have reported a relief of symptoms, including chronic pain and inflammation, arthritis, headaches, and muscle soreness.